Are you seeing the Mgmtapi API Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. For professional-grade Mgmtapi library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Mgmtapi library, the SNMP Management API library. It provides unmanaged routines for developing SNMP management stations. It facilitates the orchestration of GET and SET request manifests and coordinates the data link to remote network device agents. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Mgmtapi is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mgmtapi library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Mgmtapi Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for Mgmtapi library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Mgmtapi library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.